Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing great. Thank you for stopping by. In today's video, I'm going to show you one of the ways I make my okra soup. So without wasting your time, let's get started. For this okra soup, I've already chopped the okra I'll be using. I'll also be using ugu, which is pumpkin leaf, uziza leaf, some cow skin, which will call pomo or kanda. I have also some boiled beef. This one is bony, has some bones in it. And then I have the grilled one. I'll also be adding some boiled stockfish and some dried banla fish. I dried this fish myself. And here I have some palm oil, of course, is needed in the soup. I have some ground crayfish, some dry pepper. I'll add the dry pepper if the fresh pepper I have is not enough. I also have some seasoning cube, salt to taste, some onions already chopped, which I'll use to fry the oil, and then the fresh pepper. Now that we've seen all the ingredients we're using for this delicious okra soup, let's get into the cooking. I'll start by adding some palm oil into the dry pot, heat it up, and then pour in the chopped onions. I'm only going to fry the onions. I'm not frying the okra. After frying it for a bit, I'll then add water and start adding some other ingredients. Just keep watching. The fried onions will infuse enough sweet flavor into the soup. I just added the fresh pepper to fry it along with the onions. We'll then add some water. I'm adding the dry fish, the cow skin, the seasoning cubes, some salt, some crayfish. I'll stir everything together. I'm adding the meat stock, which I got from boiling the meat, which we are using for this soup. I'll then cover and allow to cook for about 5 minutes. This has been cooking now for about 5 minutes or more. So we'll now add the boiled meat, the grilled meat, the boiled stockfish also, and then stir everything together. Taste for salt and other spices and adjust according to taste. Salt was okay, but the pepper wasn't enough, so I added the dry pepper. I will now stir everything together. Cover and allow to cook for about 2 minutes more before adding the okra. It is now time to add the okra. After adding the okra, I'll stir everything together. Then add the uziza leaf. Remember, I'm using 2 types of vegetable leaves. So I'll add the uziza leaf first, stir together, and then add the ugu. Here is the uziza leaf. I always love to add uziza in my soups. I like the taste and flavor it gives me. In okra, ogbono, egusi, oha, most of the soup I cook, I add uziza leaves. Most times, but not always anyway. After stirring it together, I'll then add the ugu, and our soup will be ready. The soup is okay like this. You can leave yours like this if you want, but I like to add mine ugu. And so here I add the ugu, that's the pumpkin leaf. I'll stir it together also. Allow it to cook for about 30 seconds or a minute, and then put off the gas. Thank you all for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to give us a thumbs up and also share the video to your friends and family, and if you're a YouTuber, to your community. Thank you all. I love you all. Until I see you again in our next video, remain blessed and safe. Bye bye.